Hello everyone, welcome back to Napu's channel. Today I'm going to show you a new model about Agarwood bracelet, which is superior sinking Agarwood square bead bracelet. Let's find out what's interesting about this bracelet. First of all, let's talk about the material of this product. This is one of the high-end and best-selling Agarwood ties at Napu. This superior sinking agarwood is characterized by a very attractive dark brown color, rich aroma due to the high content of agarwood essential oil and the ability to sink underwater. At the same time, thanks to its solid structure, this type of agarwood can be crafted into a variety of different designs, even with many small complex details such as bracelet charms or patterns for highly aesthetic finished product. Going deeper into the details of this bracelet, you can see that the shape of the beads crafted here is square beads. Each bead is carefully rounded and polished to eliminate the rough feeling, thereby helping to bring the best wearing experience to the user. This square bead style brings a completely new look with a stronger, more individual feel than the usual round or bamboo bead. Depending on the wrist size and desired bead size, we will string the appropriate number of beads. Regarding this, you can rest assured that when you come to Napu, our team consultants will give specific advice and help you come up with the most suitable manufacturing plan. Because it is made from superior sinking agarwood, the type of agarwood that can sink underwater, this bracelet gives a feeling of being firm and quite heavy in the hand, not light and spongy like other common ties of agarwood. And because this ties of agarwood contains a high content of agarwood essential oil, we can easily feel the scent when we bring the bracelet to our nose to smell. The scent of agarwood has been proven to have the effect of relieving stress, helping to relax extremely effectively. So it can be seen that this product really has many uses and value, right? This square bead design brings a more unique experience to the wearer. It makes the wrist look more individual and attractive than the traditional round bead. This design also suitable for a variety of clothing styles in different events, whether for work or play. And with this design, you can order letters or numbers to be engraved on the surface of each bead to create products with the most personal mark. And that's all about our new design superior sinking agarwood bracelet. For those of you who are interested in this product, don't hesitate to contact us via our website or WhatsApp phone number below for the most specific advice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.